In this problem, we're asked which of the following complex numbers is equivalent to 1 plus 10i over 6 minus 3i. And we're given a bunch of fractions here. The way we're going to do this is we're going to multiply this by the conjugate of the denominator. What does that mean? Well, let's just rewrite our thing right here. We have 1 plus 10i over 6 minus 3i. And if you notice, none of these answers have an I in the denominator. So to get us into one of these forms, we have to multiply it by the denominator, but with the opposite sign. So 6 plus 3i instead of 6 minus 3i. And then you have to multiply the numerator by the same thing. And now we can distribute. So on top we have 1 times 6 is 6, plus 10 times 6 is 60i, plus another 1 times 3, 60i plus 3i is plus 63i. And this is plus 10 times 3 is 30i squared. Divided by 6 times 6 is 36. Negative 3 times 6 is minus 18i. But now we have plus 18i. So this is plus 0i. So this is why we did this, because all the I terms cancel out. We have negative 3 times 3 is minus 9i squared. So this still has an I in the denominator, but it's not a singular I, it's I squared. And if I is equal to the square root of negative 1, then I squared is equal to the square root of negative 1 squared, which is negative 1. So you have 6 plus 63i plus 30, and then I squared is negative 1, so it's 30 times negative 1. Down here we have 36 minus 9 times I squared times negative 1. So we have 6 plus 30 times negative 1 is 6 minus 30 is negative 24 plus 63i divided by 36 minus 9 times negative 1 is 36 plus 9 is 45. So now we can separate these. So we have negative 24 over 45 plus 63i over 45. For this term, we can divide the top and the bottom by 3. So negative 24 divided by 3 is negative 8. Positive 45 divided by 3 is positive 15. Here we can divide both sides by 9. So 63 divided by 9 is 7. So that leaves us with 7i. 45 is 5. So we have negative 8/15 plus 7i over 5. D is going to be your final answer.